Having a loyal reader base doesn't just help you sell more books. It gives you an opportunity to receive feedback, connect with more people, and keep publishing more content, be it through books or some other medium. In this video, let's talk about how to build a loyal reader community that gets excited about your work. Firstly, before you post a single thing online, it is very important to know who you're talking to. Who is your ideal reader? What do they care about? Where are they present online? Are they working professionals looking for motivation? Or are they teen fantasy fans? Go deeper than just age and gender. Try to really find out what challenges they face, what excites them, and why they would be interested in your book. Tools like surveys, social media posts, and even one-on-one conversations with your readers can help you understand this. When you understand your reader, you're no longer playing a guessing game, but you're building a strategy that actually connects with them. Now that you know your audience, think about where they are. If your readers are younger and they enjoy quick visual content, Instagram might work better. But if they're working professionals, LinkedIn might be your best bet. When it comes to creating an online presence, try to show your personality and be as authentic as possible. Whether you're funny, thoughtful, or serious, let it be shown in how you write your posts and how you respond to comments. Try to be real, because over time, authenticity builds trust, and trust builds community. Your content should do more than just promote your book. It should speak to your readers' lives. This means creating content that is inspiring, fun, helpful, and relatable. And try to mix up the format as much as possible. You could try videos, posts, carousels, stories, and use your platform's analytics to see which format is working. Reply to comments, respond to DMs, and thank people who leave a review. Events are a great way to bring your reading community together. You could do a live Q&A, a virtual meetup with your readers, or even a monthly Ask Me Anything series on Instagram. You can also try joining a virtual book club and connecting with readers there, or even starting one on your own and holding discussion sessions. This is a great way to hear feedback about your book directly from your readers. Also, give your community something a little extra. Maybe a sneak peek to your new book, or even access to an exclusive newsletter. A simple email list with exclusive content is a great start. It makes your engaged readers feel special and keeps them coming back. These are small acts of recognition that turns casual readers into loyal followers. If you're looking to build your reading community and want help creating a long-term marketing strategy, our team at Notion Press can help you with it. Click the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will guide you through the process. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!